Hi, my name is Satea Johnson, and I'm a nutrition educator in the Health and Wellbeing Department at UW-Madison Division of Extension, Waukesha County office. And we're happy to be partnering with Waukesha County 4-H. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple and easy healthy snack. It only uses 4 ingredients. Then today we're going to be making a berry yogurt parfait. We're going to be making our parfait in a mason jar. So something to be mindful of is to always wash your hands before you begin to prepare a meal or a dish. But if you don't have access to a sink, you can always sanitize. So that's what I'll be doing today. And rub them together for at least 20 seconds or so, or until the sanitizer has soaked in. For purposes of this recipe, I'll be wearing gloves today. So now we have our gloves on and we can begin to make our dish. So you're going to take your jar, and so we'll be doing 3 layers in here. So we have a half of cup of yogurt, and you'll be using half at one time. So we'll put half into the bottom of the glass. And kind of spread it out like this. Then you can take granola of your choice. We have honey almond today. And you can add half of your granola, also a half a cup. So you'll be using a 1/4 cup. It'll be a little messy. Okay. So now that you have half of your granola in, you start to see the layers. And then you have the fruit of your choice. So for this recipe, you'll be using a half a cup. I chose 2 fruits today, blueberries and strawberries, because they are very good for having antioxidants and fiber in them. So add half of your blueberries, like so. And then you can add half of the strawberries. And a nice thing about parfaits is you get 3 of the 5 food groups for the day. You have protein from the yogurt, you have your fruit group from the fruits, and you have your grain group from the granola. So then you see the layers starting here, and you can push it down a bit if you'd like. And then we'll do another layer of yogurt. And then you can add some more granola. Oh my gosh. And then you can add your fruit on top. Like so. And then you have a delicious and healthy snack with 3 of the 5 food groups. So you have the yogurt, you have your dairy group, which is a good form of protein. You have your grains from the granola, which has a good amount of fiber in it, which is great for digestion. And you have your fruit group. You have strawberries and blueberries, which berries are high in fiber and low in sugar. It's a delicious, tasty treat, and it's also very healthy. And if you're trying this at home, maybe you could make another one to share with a sibling or your parents. Enjoy.